We got huge clearance deals and sales. Tool sales. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting that kingdom bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, to start here we got mower. 329 was 429. This is a 40 volt 20 inch. It's on clearance. I will definitely wait on this to this one drop even lower. Alright, 249 is on sale. This is the Skill push mower. It is the time to move into this line because all the stuff is on sale. This one's 249, very inexpensive 40 volt 20 inch push mower. You got the Eagle for 299 was 329, 16 inch cut brushless string trimmer. 129 for the 10,000 lumen portable LED light, 56 volts. That's pretty interesting. I gotta get myself one of these, see if it's that powerful. You got another string trimmer, 229 was 249. This is the 15 inch cut. Cordless string trimmer is the lower tier. And then you got another one here. It's 199, 5 inch or 15 inch cut there. Alright, so we got the Cobalt 24 string trimmer, 4 amp hour battery. It's on clearance. It's 104. That's not bad. This is $79. It does include a battery, so it is the kit. Was $159. I'm telling you guys, this very inexpensive line, and with all the clearance deals, it's a really nice line to move into for a medium-sized yard. $199, the 615 CFM brushless leaf blower. It does have, it says runs up to 75 minutes. You got a 650 CFM, $251 on clearance. You got a straight loading ramps, $83. Was $119. That's it right there, pretty nice. And then you got these for $55, which I would have bought if they were here. So this is $139. And then they got these other ones that I never seen before. These are down to $126, down from $168. Folding aluminum ramps. Then if you want to make your own out of some 2x8s, you can buy this one for $9.97. You got a mini mister, $11, was $12 clearance. So right now it's getting to the summer, so you're gonna have to get these items with the cool off on the patio. Alright, so we got the Weeha Torx T25, and then you got the squares there. $8.97 was $14.98. You got the Bosch squares SQ2 number 2, $8.37. Weeha for $6.27. So there's a whole bunch of bits. I'm not gonna go over every single bit because there's a whole bunch. Here's some DeWalt, some square number 2 for $5.67. Was $9.48. Here's another bit, Bosch bits, $8.37 plus $13. There's a whole bunch there. And then you got this carpet tool, this carpet cutter. $14.97 was $24.98. That's the way it looks. 6.5 says. You got a pre-cut trim line, .080. That's $12.98 for Cobalt 40 volts. Then you got a vanity top here. If you guys doing remodels, or if you guys really want to for your rental property, whatever you have, these clearance items are the way to go. You got an AC, a window shaker here. This is 12,000 BTU. It's half price. Same thing with these. These are really good deals. Some of these are completely brand new. Most of these are display models, and they're really good in price. So I'm just gonna glance over them real quick and then move on to the tool section. This is $8.49. This is the biggest Armory 24 tool. Remember, guys, we can't say the other word because YouTube would demonetize my channel. And close our channel down. All right, so we got the Heritage 40, $8.99. You got the Fortress 24, $6.99, was 1,000. And then you got the 16 or 18 tool for $5.99. You got the Craftsman hex key set, 1437, was $15.98. This is another clearance section here at the tool section. Safety eyewear, John Deere, some really nice glasses. Safety glasses, $9.98. You got a complete fastener kit, was $39. It is down to $19.87. That's the way it looks without the package. But if you guys, the complete package looks like this. So there's 3 in the package. That's pretty nice. Got the Craftsman trade stack for $169, was $199. Got some miter saws on clearance. We got the 12-inch 15-amp dual bevel sliding miter saw, $244. That's pretty nice. And then they got the smaller one down there. We got $14.98 for the 40-piece screwdriver set. Then we got a drill driver set there. That's the 40-piece there. Does include a tic-tac case, and that is the drill driver. All right, buy one get one free. These are the newer deals that dropped. I don't believe I've shown you guys these deals yet. I don't know if I can remember right, but yeah, you buy one of these kits on the left, the blower, the string trimmer, or the dual battery, and you get a free tool on the right. Definitely the ratchet, the angle grinder. You want to get the tools that are more valuable for your money, so that way you can get the most for your $99. Those fans and those little tools, pretty much you can just buy them on yourself. All right, so we got a new tool here. You got the multi-use garden toolkit, $129. That's very interesting what they did with that one. So $99 for the batteries. But yeah, this is something that catch my attention. Multi-use garden toolkit if you guys want to plant stuff. And then they got the pressure or the power cleaner for $99. Remember guys, these are for very, very smaller stuff. Not a whole lot of pressure going on here. This is very, very light duty use. It's mostly for portable, garden hose type of pressure thing. This was $154. It's a 18 gauge narrow crown stapler. You got a 6-tool combo kit there for $199. Not bad. They are brush tools. Keep that in mind. They got these deals. Pretty good deals on these. They got the XR Power Detect for $249. Your choice here. Really, really nice deals. Most of them, they do come with an 8 amp hour battery. So that 8 amp hour battery is almost that much. So very, very good deals. I would definitely recommend you guys getting these deals. These tools are very, very powerful. Got the buy one get one free. So $149 starter kit will get you a free tool. Like I said, obviously the higher end tools or the higher costing tools are the best ones to get with that deal as well. You got a drywall bit holder, $14.98. This is something I've never seen before, at least not in this format. So this is like a drywall attachment in case you guys don't have a drywall screw gun. They still got these deals, the buy one get one free DeWalt's for the extreme 12 volts. You buy any tool and you get a starter kit. Definitely the SDS rotary hammer is the way to go. Got the Quickset V-Job pliers, $14.98. I'm still waiting for these to drop. Pick myself a set. This one's very interesting. Extendable level, 9 to 15 inches, $24. So that's the way it looks. But if you guys look at down here or up there, you can stretch it out to 15 feet. That's great if you don't have a lot of space in your tool bag. Got the SDS Plus rotary hammer on clearance for $239. Got the 5-inch angle grinder for $159 clearance. And then that's the angle grinder there with the paddle switch. You got the screw gun with magazine bare tool, $127. Cutout tool, bare tool for $79. And then you got the floodlight bare tool for $63. Was $79. You got the Flex 6 amp hour battery for 183 was 229. 139 for the Metabo 36 volt multi brushless cordless reciprocating saw, and that's not it. That was just down there. You got the worm dry saw, steel 145. It's not bad. Skill saw. And then you got the planer Ver tool. This is Cobalt 127. One was 159. $79 for the cutout tool, Bear tool. And then you got the drywall screw gun, screw magazine for $55. And the drywall screw gun for $79. 17 was $99. Some more bits here on another section. Bosch T25 Torx. So pretty nice bits. I really like the Bosch bits. And they got this one. This one's really good. It's a 14-piece black and gold drill bit set. This is from DeWalt. This is it right here. The other one was wrong, but this one's the one that I got for the tool testing that I do for you guys. You got a jigsaw here in clearance for 111 was 139, 6.5 amp. Got another 27-piece rapid load bit set, 1498. That's the way it looks. You got the rapid load on the top there. You got some drill bits, and then you got a bit holder and some 2-inch bits. Really nice. You got a dust mask with the valve at $95, $5. You got some oscillating blades from Dremel. Was $29, it is down to $7.47, so that's a big drop. You got a bigger set here. It is Dremel. It was $49.98. It is down to $12.47. Universal. Alright, so onto the metables. You got the 21 degree round framing nailer for $369. That's it right there. Alright, so buy one, get one free. Buy yourself a select Metabo 18 volt power tool. Get a 2-pack of lithium-ion power tool and charger. So you get a power tool for free, or power tool, battery and charger for free if you buy a tool. You got the 18 volt cordless 1 3/8 23 gauge pin nailer for $229. Your choice of any 18 volt cordless nailer, multi volts, 36 volt 2.5 amp hour, and a 5 amp hour lithium power tool battery. So it's pretty nice that they include a free gift. Definitely check that out. $28 for that one. $50 for the cordless vacuum. It's a 5-gallon Craftsman. And then you got another vacuum. This is a 4.5 horsepower, 10 gallons, $79 was $84. And then they do carry a full line of auger, drain snakes, whatever you want to call it. I never seen this before at Lowe's, but here they are. This is one of the cheaper ones are $29, and then the one of the other cheaper ones $19.98, and then very DIY oriented or smaller stuff, $12.98. Then if you guys want to go pro level, you got the big one here. Unfortunately, this one does not have a price. There's another price tag here for a DeWalt cordless drain snake. Maybe that's the one that's going to be replacing. Guys, that's it for today. Make sure you guys have a great weekend. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.